Hello, little adventurers. My name is Marina, and I live in the beautiful, magical ocean. The sea is a wonderful place, full of mystery and amazing creatures. It's like a whole other world underwater. Today, I'm going to take you on an exciting journey to meet some of my amazing sea friends. Let's go. Now, let's talk about one of the most beautiful and important parts of the ocean, the coral reefs. Do you see those colorful structures down there? Those are corals. Even though they look like plants or rocks, they're actually made by tiny animals called polyps. Each polyp builds a hard skeleton around itself, and when many polyps join together, they form a coral reef. They are like underwater cities. They provide homes and hiding places for lots of different sea creatures like fish, crabs, sea stars, and many other animals. It's a very, very busy and lively place. Let's swim over to meet sea turtles now. These gentle giants have been around for millions of years. They swim gracefully with their flippers and can travel long distances across the ocean. Sea turtles lay their eggs on sandy beaches, and when the baby turtles hatch, they make a dash for the sea. It's a magical moment. Also, sea turtles have a special ability to sense the Earth's magnetic fields, which helps them navigate the vast ocean. It's like they have a built-in compass. Now, let me introduce you to one of the most playful and smart creatures in the ocean, the dolphin. Look over there, you can see them jumping and splashing in the waves. They are very social animals and live in groups called pods. They love to play. Dolphins communicate with each other using clicks, whistles, and body movements. It's like their own special language. They use their echolocation, which is like sonar, to find food and navigate through the water. They send out sounds and listen for the echoes that bounce back to locate objects and fish. Dolphins are also known to help other sea animals and even humans in trouble. There are many stories of dolphins guiding lost sailors to safety or protecting people from sharks. They're truly remarkable and kind-hearted creatures. Follow me, little ones. Let's swim over to meet some of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean, the sharks. Look, there's a shark gliding gracefully through the water. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, even before dinosaurs. They are ancient creatures with incredible adaptations that help them survive in the ocean. Sharks have incredible senses that help them find food. They can detect even the tiniest amounts of blood in the water from miles away. They also have special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini that sense electric fields produced by other animals. This helps them locate prey even when it's hiding. And did you know that sharks play a crucial role in keeping the ocean healthy? By hunting the sick and weak animals, they keep the populations of other sea creatures balanced and healthy. They're like the ocean's doctors. Swim with me, young adventurers. Let's glide over to meet some of the most mesmerizing creatures in the ocean, the jellyfish. Look at them floating gracefully through the water, like living, breathing artwork. They don't have brains, hearts, or bones, yet they thrive in various marine environments. But they have a simple nervous system called a nerve net, which helps them sense their surroundings and coordinate their movements. They rely on the water around them to carry oxygen to their cells, so they don't need lungs or gills. Some jellyfish can glow in the dark. They use this ability to attract prey, scare off predators, or communicate with each other. It's like their own natural light show. Now, let's swim over to one of the most enchanting and unique creatures in the ocean, the seahorse. Seahorses got their name because their heads look like tiny horse heads. They have a unique way of moving, too. What makes seahorses truly unique is how they reproduce. In the seahorse world, it's the males that get pregnant. The female seahorse lays her eggs into a special pouch on the male's belly. The male then carries the eggs until they hatch, giving birth to tiny baby seahorses. Next, let's dive deeper to meet one of the most fascinating and intelligent creatures in the ocean, the octopus. An octopus has 8 arms, called tentacles, which are covered with suction cups. These suction cups help the octopus to grab onto things, explore its surroundings, and even taste what it's touching. Octopuses are known for their intelligence. They can solve puzzles, open jars, and even escape from enclosures. They have large brains and can learn from experience, making them some of the smartest invertebrates in the ocean. Okay, kids, let's scuttle over to meet one of the most interesting creatures in the ocean, the crab. Look at them, moving sideways across the sandy ocean floor. Crabs walk sideways because their legs are designed to move in that direction. This sideways movement allows them to quickly scuttle away from predators or toward food. They eat both plants and animals. They love to munch on algae, plankton, mollusks, small fish, and even dead animals. Their powerful claws help them catch and tear apart their food. Crabs have 2 large claws, or pincers, which they use for various tasks. One claw is usually larger than the other and is used for crushing food, while the smaller claw is used for cutting and manipulating objects. These claws are also handy for defense against predators. Our next friend is the pufferfish. Look over there, isn't it cute with its round body and big eyes? It's called a pufferfish because of its amazing ability to puff up like a balloon. When a pufferfish feels threatened, it quickly ingests water to swell up and become much larger. This makes it harder for predators to swallow it. Pufferfish are also known for their toxin. Most pufferfish contain a poison called tetrodotoxin, which is found in their skin and some internal organs. This toxin is extremely potent and can be deadly to predators, and even to humans if not handled properly. Finally, let's meet the largest and most magnificent creatures in the ocean, whales. These gentle giants are truly awe-inspiring. Whales can get incredibly big. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons. That's as long as 3 school buses lined up and as heavy as about 30 elephants. Whales are mammals, just like us, so they need to come to the surface to breathe air. They have blowholes on top of their heads that they use to take in air and expel it. Many whales live in social groups called pods. These pods can range from just a few individuals to several dozen. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, like clicks, whistles, and songs. Alright, my little ocean explorers, we've had an amazing journey today, learning about some of the incredible creatures that call the ocean their home. Remember, every creature in the ocean has a special role to play, and they all need our help to keep their home clean and safe. Keep being curious, keep exploring, and always remember that every little action you take to protect the ocean helps. Thank you for joining me on this adventure today. Until next time, happy exploring!